I really just said, hey, let's slather my eye in yellow and hope it looks good. I did it. We're going. Okay. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be hard. I now see what YouTubers are talking about when they keep looking at the viewfinder instead of at you guys, because I borrowed a camera and this one has a viewfinder, so I'm enjoying the luxury of it, as well as lighting. As you can see, my lighting has never been decent before, and this is pretty good. It's the best lighting I've ever had on my channel, and yeah, I'm living for it. So for this week's video, I'm going to be retaking all of my social media profile pictures. Why? Because equipment. If I have it, I want to use it, because it's actually equipment that I want to be able to own one day. So I rented it out and I was like, okay, I'm going to test it. I'm going to test them a lot, and I'm going to see what I like about them and see if I can handle them and if I can use them, and then save up and get my own. So far I am loving this stuff. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. And let's just get right on into it. You know I hate long intros, so let's just do it. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna do this actually, but we'll see. Okay. Well, here we are. Getting ready for the first picture. This one is maybe for my main Instagram account. And I'm going to go for a yellow theme. I have a nice yellow backdrop. It's actually like a picnic blanket, but it's yellow and it's bright and I like it. So we're going to use that as my backdrop. So I figured a nice yellow look to go with it. So I'm going to do my makeup. And people like seeing the behind the scenes of photo shoots, right? So this is behind the scenes, me getting ready. Okay, I'm just trying to get my backdrop, and we're gonna tape it. Hi, if you could just stay still. Yeah, it's great. Oh. Hi. Oh my god, this is, maybe I shouldn't have. I've always wanted a viewfinder, but maybe it's bad for me because I like keep looking there. Ugh. Let's hope that stays up. That's my backdrop. I'm gonna sit back down again so we can get this going. I need my flash. I know this one isn't focused because sorry, I'm not doing that, but I want this one to be focused. It's interesting, don't you think? Yeah. Ooh, messy room. Is this filming me? Is it filming my chest? I don't know. Okay. I decided to try without flash. I don't know how that's gonna work. I'm gonna bump up my eyes though a little bit. We'll bump it up to 400. Is this it? Nope. Bow, 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 bow. I'm not really talking anymore. I'm just kind of frustrated. I need more powder. What? Where did I put my makeup bag? Oh, it's right there. I was so confused. I was super confused. I need some powder. Let's see. Fury. Oh wow. You guys want to see how blurry this is? Here, I'll take a video on my phone. Oh, I know. Ah, look at this. You see anything? Here, let me hold it. There. I was holding my phone in front of it. But now you see. That you can't see. Hey, I don't know when to stop, but I finally got this working. And we're getting some good pictures right now. Okay. Ooh. There we go. I'll just stay like this. So we're moving on to the next picture now that I finally got the profile picture for my main account. So now we're moving on to my photography account. I found an idea on Pinterest. Do I look creepy? I don't know. I found an idea on Pinterest that I'm gonna base it off of, but I'm gonna switch it up a bit. And so it involves a mirror, but I don't have a mirror that big enough for it, so I'm using a magnifying glass, and this one's going to involve a lot of Photoshop work. And I guess it's also good because I can touch up on my Photoshop skills as well. This is just an educational video for me, I guess you can say. My arms hurt, so let's move on to the next picture now. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Ow. Bye. Where's the button? Okay. Hi. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've taped up this white kind of clear plastic material, and I have my magnifying glass. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a picture of the magnifying glass, about right there, with my hand in it, just like that. Okay, yeah, like that, something like that. And then I'm gonna take another picture of me somewhere else, not sure where yet. I haven't really planned this all out. And then in Photoshop I'm gonna combine the pictures so it looks like you're seeing me through here. I put the picture up here. This is my inspiration, what I'm basing it off of. So you get the gist. You can put 2 and 2 together. Let's see how this turns out. Let's get to shooting. Okay, let's do that one. Let's get in there. Okay, I'm using my phone to film this one because I am using this as my thing. to switch it to autofocus. So I had it focus on my hand, and then I'm switching it to manual focus so that my focus is set. Okay. Light. Ooh. Sorry, I need to put my light there. Hold on. Oh, where my lights goes here. Oh, I really look possessed. You guys can't see that, but I look really possessed. I wonder if I can... There. This is just the stuff we gotta do. And I'm gonna adjust my settings. Let's try a first shot. I just realized it's not focused. Let's try. What happened? It's like meh. We need something more to this shot. I'm running out of storage on my phone, so we'll see how much my backdrop fell. Hi. Ooh, lights. You guys ready for this one? I put colors in. Okay, so we're back, and it is time. That's what it is time for the final picture. I don't know if I'm gonna use this one. This isn't exactly how I dress on the daily, but I might use it for my Twitter profile picture for a little bit because it's fun. So I put on some black lipstick. It's kind of like a purple theme going on here. You guys can't really see it, but there's like some purple glitter on my lips, and then there's a purple heart. And I'm wearing a purple bandana under this top, so we're going for purple. And we're doing painting with light this time around, so the lights are going to be off. I'm going to switch cameras, and then we're going to go ahead and get to work. So let's go. Are you ready? Hi. Is this creepy? I'm sorry. I'm so happy. I got the picture I wanted. It's so good. I'm so happy with how these have turned out, to be honest. Like, this is... Sorry, King is whining because he wants to come down with me. But anyway, I'm so happy. Can't wait to edit these pictures. But let's get out of the dark. This is kind of creepy. I'm sorry. Okay. Hi. And that is all for the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you any ideas for doing social media self-portraits. I just hope it made you smile, laugh. Hope you had fun. But I don't like long outros, so I'm going to go now. And also my arms are tired from holding these up. This looks really cool. Take your screenshots now. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye. Thanks for watching. Hug.